My name's Dan, and I'm a Digico Applications Specialist. We're here with the SD consoles, and I'm going to show you Digico Spill Sets and what they can do for you. This year, Digico has delivered a new and comprehensive set of features and upgrades to the SD range of consoles. In fact, every console has been given a free software upgrade, and one of these cool new features is the Set Spill function. When mixing lots of channels, quick access is an important factor in work surface layout. Your channels will be arranged within the banks of 12 faders, but with potentially hundreds of channels to handle, it might take a couple of button presses to get to them all. But what if there were a quick way of getting to a set of channels with a single button press? This is exactly what the new Set Spill feature gives you. A set is just a predefined collection of channels and can contain any number of channels and any type of channel. So it might be your drums or the lead vocal, complete with auxes for effect sends and extra input channels as effects returns. The sets are defined within the Set Spill panel, an easy-to-use interface that allows the channels to be quickly added or removed from each of the sets. Every SD console can include multiple user-defined sets, from 8 sets on the SD11 up to 24 sets on the SD7. And once the sets are defined, we can spill them, that is, bring them to the surface. With just one button press, your predefined selection of channels can be brought to the surface for immediate control. Sets can be spilled by pressing the on-screen buttons, or more conveniently by assigning them to the macro buttons. So no matter where you are on the work surface, a single press of the macro button will bring your chosen set of channels to the surface. We've included a couple of features and shortcuts that make building and spilling sets even quicker and easier. Maybe you already have channels built into your control groups. Using the Copy from CG function in the Set Spill panel, you can create a set that contains exactly the same members as your control group. Really quick and much easier than reprogramming a set from scratch. Once built, the Spill Set function can be assigned to any of our macro buttons. There's no need to manually program the action from the macro editor. Just select the macro button directly from the Set Spill panel. And to make the whole process as easy as possible, on the SD consoles with custom LCD macro buttons, they get labeled automatically with the name of the set. When you spill the set, you have a choice of where on the work surface it appears. And if the set contains more than 12 channels, how should it take over the surface? There's the option of having it spilled to the left or right work surfaces, or for sets with more than 12 members, having it spill right across the surface, giving direct access to up to 24 faders simultaneously. And when you're done, another press of the macro button returns the work surface to the channels you were originally mixing. The Digico Set Spill function gives you quick and easy access to all your mix channels. Mix faster with Digico.